Okay, smile.
Merry Christmas to you. It's spaghetti in the house. Huh? Is that spaghetti?
No.
What's that?
Naya.
Carbonara is a white sauce. Okay, who wants to pray? What about your dad?
Okay,
Who
pray na
wants to
next.
pray? Carbonara, kayo dyan, and chicken. Next, let's pray first. Okay, pray muna tayo. Beef tendon in the house. Idex dito. Gusto niya lang to gulay. You want gulay?
Yeah.
Or you want this? What do you like?
I want gulay.
Guyay. Guyay? Gulay? Or you want the sabaw itself?
Gulay.
Gulay. Galing ni Daddy ng ganyan. Thank you, Daddy.
Wow, cool.
Ayan, may ganito pa.
Amazing.
Amazing. Ayan.
Cool. Cucumber.
Wow, bangus for dinner. Laki ng bangus na to, ha? Yeah. Tarisan natin ng asparagus. Ayan. Sarap magkamay dito, ah. Bigyan mo ako ng anak mamaya. Yung sausawan. Yan ang dalaga ko. Ayan na siya. Dexy! So gusto daw ni Dexy yung belly part. So bigay natin sa kanya. Ayan siya. Lunch time! Ayan. Sarap ng pansit na ni Daddy ngayon. Marunong na siya. Pampi at tatawag sa kanila nung ganito eh. Marunong na siyang magluto ng pansit. Nilalagyan niya ng maraming sakong at gulay. Ito nilagyan niya.
Naglaro si Sablin. Spoon this here.
Yeah, there's a spoon.
Should I put more?
Yeah. Okay, how many?
Okay, 4?
3/4 yan?
Yeah.
Okay, small lang muna yan. Para hindi naman sobrang tamis.